Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Flying copycats. Starlings can baa like sheep, bark like dogs, and scream like kids. Tweet! The soccer players stopped at the sound of the whistle and looked at the referee. Was it halftime already? Was someone out of bounds? The referee shrugged his shoulders. He hadn't blown his whistle. Tweet! There it was again. It's a starling, someone shouted. It wants to referee our game. Starlings do not have the most beautiful singing voices in the bird world, but they are terrific copycats, or copy birds. They mimic what they hear most often, which is usually other birds like woodpeckers or hawks. But they can whistle like referees, bark like dogs, baa like sheep, whinny like horses, and scream like kids on a playground. Starlings live together in large flocks. At first, young starlings whistle, click, rattle, squeak, and screech to talk to other starlings. But soon, they add copycat sounds to their songs. A whole flock of starlings is likely to hear and mimic the same sounds. Yet scientists have never found two males that sing exactly the same song. Each male uses copycat sounds to make his song original. Every spring, a male starling sings to find a mate. The longer and more complicated his song, the more likely he'll find a female who appreciates him. No one knows why. Maybe females know that the best singers scare away owls and hawks, which eat starling eggs. Or maybe females know that the best singers find the tastiest bugs for their hatchlings. Starling pairs split off from the flock to nest. The male defends his nest with all the sounds he's learned. He stands straight and tall. His song tells other starlings, "This is my mate, my nest. Go away." Each season, he adds more sounds, making himself more attractive to females and more fearsome to his competition. Starlings steal not only sounds, but other birds' nests, too. They use holes or openings that already exist as places to build their nests. They like the nooks and crannies of skyscrapers and the eaves of houses. But they are just as happy to take over the big tree holes that woodpeckers drill. And people often find that the birdhouse they built for bluebirds is now home to starlings. If you find a springtime nest, watch and listen. You might see nest building, or a mama starling warming her eggs, or baby starlings eating. And if you hear a car alarm or a dog barking or a whistle, look up into a tree. It may be a starling adding another sound to its song.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.